Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. This is Mavic Air with another video. Right, I've got a new Mavic Air controller. It's come this morning. The other one, the charger port was knackered, and it ran two lights yesterday when I went out and it disconnected. So it could have been that was the problem. I just got a dodgy connection because I had it in through a USB. The USB port at the bottom of the controller, I had it plugged into there. So that might be knackered as well. Somebody said it could be the lead on the roof of the church. Possibly, yeah, it could be. So anyway, that controller's gone. I've got a new one now, and I'm just going to go out and test it. It is a little bit windy. It's about 20 mile an hour gusts and about 14 mile an hour winds with about 24 mile an hour gusts, I think it said. So I'm just going to take it low. I'm just going to go a bit of grass at the back of our house, not too far, and see how it goes, see how the controller reacts to the drone and everything. I've already connected it up to the drone, so here's hoping that it's going to be okie dokie. Anyway, enjoy the footage and I'll have a chat with you when I get back. See you in a bit. Right, just got in, good to go. Controls worked, everything fine. I had to go in sports mode. All that controlling I did, all the turning the drone and whatnot, that was all in sports mode, ever so fine. Because if you go too quick with sticks on in sports mode, it'll go, and footage will be no good. Anyway, so I'm happy to report everything's okay. I took a picture of me son. Excuse me, I took a picture of my son. I'll not put that in. It was just me going. Anyway, yeah, it was windy. You could probably tell with the trees blowing and me tassels on me hoodie blowing in wind. So it was quite windy. But anyway, everything were okay. Everything were good to go. So yeah, happy days. So what's going to happen now is I'm selling it. I'm selling it to get the Mini 2. So if anybody wants a Mavic Air 1 with one battery, never crashed. Slight mishap, yes, but never crashed. If you watched the last video, you'll know what I mean. Yeah, anybody want it between £300 and £400, it's yours. Make me an offer. Get in contact with me on my Facebook, which is on my about page. So yeah, anybody wants one, go for it. Alright then guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're new around here and you like what you saw, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Alright then guys, I shall see you in the next one, hopefully with a new drone, but I don't think I'll sell this one that fast. Alright then guys, I'll see you later. Bye for now.